Welcome to solverfy.
This is the answer to Chapter 20, problem number 13 from the Smith Organic Chemistry textbook. And this problem asks us what amides will form each of the following amines on treatment with lithium aluminum hydride. We're given the products, and we basically need to work backwards and find the starting material, the amide that we're going to treat with lithium aluminum hydride. And so remember, treatment of an amide with lithium aluminum hydride reduces the carbonyl carbon to just a methylene group, just a CH2. And so basically we need to look at each of these amines and look at the carbon or carbons adjacent to the nitrogen and consider whether or not we can put a carbonyl there instead. And so what that's going to look like for A is going to look like this. And I apologize, I'm getting some pretty horrendous lag. So A is going to look like this. The only carbon adjacent to the nitrogen is this one right here, so we can put a carbonyl there. So for B, we can actually put a carbonyl in either of two places. So the first one we could do, okay, so here's the nitrogen. Okay, so we can put the carbonyl here. So this could be our starting amide. Or we could put the carbonyl on one of the ethyl groups that is attached to the nitrogen. So we have these two ethyl groups. We could put the carbonyl here as well. So either of these amides, when treated with lithium aluminum hydride, would give us the amine that we're given for B. And so for C, again, we have just one option, and that's because we have two carbons that are adjacent to this nitrogen, but one of them is a quaternary carbon. And so we can't put a carbonyl here. And so the only option that we have is to put the carbonyl here. Okay, and that's C. And so that's the answer to this problem. In order to solve it, we just need to remember that lithium aluminum hydride is going to reduce the carbon-oxygen double bond of a carbonyl, of an amide to just a methylene group. And so we get an amine from an amide. And that's the answer to Chapter 20, problem number 13.